Wonderful.
Yes, I suppose it is.
Beauty and the Beast.
Have you really read every one of these books?
Buldak noodles.
Oh, some of them are in Greek.
Was that a joke? Are you making jokes now?
I love this movie.
The air is blue and keen and cold. I'm in a frozen sheet.
I feel as if I'm seeing it for the first time.
But in that solemn silence is heard the whisper of every sleep. Come wake me up. For still here I be.
Because she is the one who will wake up the human inside the beast. How beautiful is this? There are certain things which the beast cannot do, but the beauty can.
Something sweet and almost kind. But he was mean, he was coarse and unrefined. And now he's dear and so unsure. I wonder why I didn't see it coming before.
Very spicy.
She glanced this way. I thought I saw. When we touched, she didn't shudder at my fall. No, it can't be. I'll just ignore. But then she's never looked at me that way before.
Spicy. This is my everyday routine. First have something spicy, then something sweet. But first I'll have some water. He started reading too.
Still, it's a romance. I never thanked you for saving my life.
Well, I never thank you for not leaving it even my weakness.
You know, girl, I'm not sure they mean it. Amazing.
It was the cruelest trick of all. It was just another curse. The outside world has no place for a creature like me. Where did you take us?
Paris.
One more. I have terrible cold and fever, so I had the spiciest noodles so that I can help my flu. I don't know if it was a good idea, but I definitely feel a bit better right now because my nose block has gone. One more chocolate.
Knowing the Paris of my childhood is gone.
What happened to your mother?
I have to tell, and you better be told.
The doctor's house. Plague.
You must leave. Now.
Bye, friends. See you tomorrow.
Before it takes her too.